In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund in Canva. First, log into your Canva account on your browser or in the app. Once you're inside your account, click on your profile icon, then go to Settings. From there, open the Billing and Plans section where you can see your subscriptions and payment history. Next, find the charge or subscription you want a refund for. Click on it to view more details. Canva usually handles refunds on a case-by-case basis, especially for recent charges or accidental renewals. Now, scroll down and look for the Help or Contact Support option. Click it to open Canva's support form. Choose the billing or refund category. Then explain your situation clearly, such as being charged unexpectedly or canceling too late. Include important details like the date of the charge and your account email. The more clear and specific you are, the faster support can review your request. After submitting your request, wait for Canva's support team to respond by email. If your request is approved, the refund will be processed back to your original payment method. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.